Alright, Jeff and I would like to welcome you back to Conky Joe's Adventures. And today we're gonna do a little fishing off the beach. We're gonna trek through a little trail to get to the beach, and then we're gonna throw our lines out and see what we get. You all stay tuned. Alright, so we're busting a move through the trail, and it ain't too far from the beach. Alright. Yeah, nice and sunny for a change. We've been having some cold weather, some bad weather, blowing, raining, and cold. Yeah, nice day today. Barberry Beach. Barberry Beach. Yes. Nice. I don't know if y'all can see over there. That's Peterson Key. A little ways away. Yeah, tide's low. It's nice out of the day. Jeff, what you doing? What you doing?
I am trying to change the bed of my rod and put a humble sink on the rod. Just re-rig the rod.
I don't know what's going on. I mean, tide low. Just give us two good ones. That's all we want. Two good ones. Yeah. That's me leaving that day. Got it? Alright. Ciao. You're going through the bush there,
Oh
alright.
yeah, man. I ain't be like climbing over them rocks today. They might be slippery. The stuff washed up on the beach. Oh yeah. Looks like a better area already.
That's what I said. It's a little rock here. Oh, they might be down around them. That little grass right up past them rocks.
I'm looking at this right here.
Huh?
Yeah, this kind of deep water right there.
Yeah. Anywhere.
You try it right here, eh?
Yeah. Alright, so Jeff and I moved to a different spot. Right now we're on the Canal, the waterway. It brings you in the south side. Stick around. Jeff is trying to catch a barry. Jelly, you got one?
Yep, a small one.
Oh,
Grunt.
that's a grunt egg.
Grunt.
Alright, Jelly got a grunt.
Boys one. Gotta go right back.
Yeah, too small. Yeah, we moved to another spot. Because, look like we are not having that good of luck today. But hopefully we'll catch something here. Alright, Jeff and I are gonna call it a day. What you saying, Jeff?
Yep. Yep. Ain't having no luck today. One grunt. And that was not a keeper. So, join in. And hopefully try it again.
Yeah, get head
I
on.
think he smelled a bit or something. Some bad breath or something. I don't know. Yeah, pretty crazy.
Well, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next adventure.